Thank you for coming. Today, I change the press आपयला तुमकां ते हें सांगपाक की I have filed a complaint in 2019 against the tourism department. Okay, and the issue was dustbin. They had purchased dustbin without following any orders, without following any orders from anyone. Okay, no verification was done. So I had taken the documents from RTI and filed my complaint in the Lok Ayukt. So today, 2 days back, Lok Ayukt has passed an order after 18 months, and I am very pleased to inform you that I am very satisfied and very happy with the order from the Lok Ayukt. Okay, I am very thankful to Lok Ayukt who took up my issue, went deep into the allegations what I had made, and in the order he has also mentioned the allegations what I was made, which was made in here is true. So आता हितून कितें जालां it is a big scam of dustbin. The dustbin was purchased governmentan तांकां कांय sanction दिवंक नासलें. I am sure that money is siphoned by the people. I have named the director, the tourism minister, and all the people who were part of this. Okay, and finally, I am happy that Lok Ayukt has directed, and in the report that this matter should be investigated by a high-ranking officer from the ACP, from a high-ranking officer from the ACP, from the Corruption Bureau. So I also say that I have full faith on this BJP government. I am not from any political party. I don't belong to any party. I am an activist and I fight for right. Now, since this order is come, I will request the Chief Minister to kindly give me justice in this case. Hand over this report. Let the report go to the Lok Ayukt. And if BJP government is against corruption, prove to the people of Goa that they are against corruption. And the elections are coming nearby. So show people of Goa that BJP government does not entertain corruption. Not because they are minister, or not because they are person, or not because their MLA is involved in this. It is typical. I have not mentioned anyone's name in this complaint. I have mentioned the name of the chairs, the person who is occupying the chair. So I request the BJP government and mainly the Chief Minister of Goa to hand over and let this. There shouldn't be any interference in this order, which is given by Lok Ayukt. Okay, my name is Ignacio Dominic Pereira. I am a social activist. I have filed a complaint in Lok Ayukt in 2019. Nearly 1.5 वर्ष जाले आता complaint करून. And today I am taking this opportunity to thank the Lok Ayukt because the order what he has given is very satisfying. The report he has done in the dust scheme. I had filed a complaint in the dustbin scam of the tourism. तितून हांवें माझे RTI डॉक्युमेंट काडून हांवें Lok Ayuktच्या मुखार घातलेले what are the irregularities happening in the department आणि सगळें तेजेर हांवें डॉक्युमेंटाचेर घातलेलें. So I got the order stating that this matter should be investigated by the top ranking officer from the ACP. It is also mentioned the allegations what I had made in my complaint are true as per the report. And I am really thankful that the Lok Ayukt itself said in this that there is corruption happening in this department. So आता इथे कितें जालां every department जो आहा government department कितें ना कितें चलता. People have to come out, file complaints against those people, book those people. Now I have full faith in government that they will definitely go to this order and help me to book the culprits. ज्यांनी corruption केला हितून. I have made complaints. I have not named anyone in this complaint. Government that they will definitely go to this order and help me to book the culprits. ज्यांनी corruption केला हितून. I have made complaints. I have not named anyone in this complaint. I had named the chair. the director, whoever in the department. So I have no personal allegations on anyone. My allegations are on the person who is sitting on the chair, who is doing such kind of corruption. And today, it is a need of the hour that if we want to progress anywhere, India or in Goa, the corruption in Goa should come to an end. And I fully bank on the government, the BJP government, that they will definitely take up this matter, hand it over to the right department as per their order, and continue their investigation. And already it is said in this, if they are found guilty, and I am sure they will be found guilty as per my investigation and the document submitted to the Lok Ayukt, it is clearly mentioning that who are involved in this scam, because people money has been spent for unnecessary things. It is not gone to the right person, it is gone in the wrong hands. So I request and I congratulate, and I am really thankful that Lok Ayukt took up this matter of mine and went into the deep and came out with the right answer.
Can you tell me who is the main culprit in this?
They will be found guilty as per my investigation and the document submitted to the Lok Ayukt. It is clearly mentioning that who are involved in this scam, because people money has been spent for unnecessary things. It is not gone to the right person, it is gone in the wrong hands. So I request and I congratulate, and I am really thankful that Lok Ayukt took up this matter of mine and went into the deep and came out with the right answer.
Can you tell me who is the main culprit in this?
See, main culprit, in my petition I had named the director. The director is Minino D'Souza, okay, the tourism director. I have named the tourism minister also, Mr. Babu Asgaonkar. They are both people who were there when these irregularities happened. And I have also mentioned the other departments like the accounts, the director of accounts, and the OSD, who was mainly the OSD was appointed in this tourism department to look after this particular thing. It is also, if you go through the order, it is also mentioned that OSD has failed to do his work properly. So there is prima facie, there is a evidence, and there is corruption in this. So that's the reason the matter is given to the Lok Ayukt.
So investigation कोणाक केली? लोक आयुक्तान कोणाक केला तो?
Anti-corruption ACP केल्या, and the high-ranking officer should be investigated as per the report what he has said. Okay.